Chilliz cost commonly equivalent to $0.0767 a coin, or so they in a real sense thought. The present exchanged cost range. 0.0746 0.0770 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close. 0.0750, which really is genuinely critical. The change certainly was plus 0.0017, plus 2.27%, which especially is very critical. Backwards rate. United States dollars to CHZ. Chilliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, November 27. Cost $0.076, especially greatest 0.081, most certainly least 0.071. Chilliz conjecture on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $0.078, greatest 0.083, sort of least 0.073 in a sort of large manner. Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $0.082, greatest 0.088, kind of least 0.076, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chilliz figure on Thursday, November 30. Cost $0.074, truly greatest 0.079, truly least 0.069, which in a real sense is very huge. Chilliz cost expectation on Friday, December 1. Cost $0.072, all things considered, most extreme 0.077, in every practical sense, least 0.067 in a very significant way. And multi-week Chilliz gauge on Monday, December 4. Cost $0.075, genuinely greatest 0.080, in every way that really matters, least 0.070, which generally is very critical. Chilliz cost expectation on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $0.074, in every practical sense, greatest 0.079, truly least 0.069, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Chilliz figure on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $0.074, sort of most extreme 0.079, all things considered, least 0.069, which especially is very critical. Chilliz cost forecast on Thursday, December 7. Cost $0.070, kind of greatest 0.075, by and large least 0.065 in a very significant manner. Chilliz gauge on Friday, December 8. Cost $0.073, all things considered, greatest 0.078, fundamentally least 0.068, which by and large is very huge. In about 14 days Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, December 11. Cost $0.073, most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068, or so they thought. Chilliz gauge on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $0.068, kind of greatest 0.073, certainly least 0.063, or so they generally thought. Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $0.071, kind of greatest 0.076, sort of least 0.066, showing how in multi-week Chilliz conjecture on Monday, December 4. Cost $0.075, by and large most extreme 0.080, kind of least 0.070. Chilliz estimate on Thursday, December 14. Cost $0.069, sort of greatest 0.074, truly least 0.064, which generally is very huge. Chilliz cost expectation on Friday, December 15. Cost $0.075, greatest 0.080, really least 0.070, which generally is very critical. In 3 weeks Chilliz gauge on Monday, December 18. Cost $0.072, certainly greatest 0.077, kind of least 0.067, which generally is genuinely critical. Chilliz cost expectation on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $0.073, most extreme 0. Chilliz cost expectation on Thursday, December 21. Cost $0.073, by and large most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068 in a kind of significant manner. Chilliz conjecture on Friday, December 22. Cost $0.079, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.085, sort of least 0.073, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In about a month Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, December 25. Cost $0.082, especially most extreme $0.088, certainly least $0.076, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz estimate on Tuesday, December 26. Cost $0.081, especially greatest $0.087, most certainly least $0.075, as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to CHZ today. United States dollars to CHZ conversion scale, fundamentally equivalent to 13.0409 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reach: 12.9893 to 13.4063 in an extremely large way. The past day's nearby: 13.3303, exhibiting how Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $0.071, truly greatest $0.076, certainly least $0.066, showing how in multi-week Chilliz figure on Monday, December 4. Cost $0.075, truly most extreme $0.080, least $0.070, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Change for now 0.2894, 2.17% in a kind of significant way. United States dollars to CHZ cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture on Monday, November 27. Cost 13.158 coins, all things considered, greatest 14.085, most certainly least 12.346, which really is very critical. United States dollars to CHZ forecast on Tuesday, November 28. Cost 12.821 coins, truly most extreme 13.699, fundamentally least 12.048. Dollar to Chilliz estimate on Wednesday, November 29. Cost 12.195 coins, truly most extreme 13.158, exceptionally least 11.364, or so they thought. United States dollars to CHZ expectation on Thursday, November 30. Cost 13.514 coins, fundamentally most extreme 14.493, in every way that really matters, least 12.658, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chilliz estimate on Friday, December 1. Cost 13.889 coins, essentially greatest 14.925, most certainly least 12.987 in a kind of significant manner. And multi-week United States dollars to CHZ expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost 13.333 coins, extremely greatest 14.286, really least 12.500 amazingly. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture on Tuesday, December 5. Cost 13.514 coins, certainly greatest 14.493, for the most part least 12.658. United States dollars to CHZ expectation on Wednesday, December 6. Cost 13.514 coins, most extreme 14.493, especially least 12.658 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost 14.28